Welcome to the Weekly Leaders Digest. This is your hub for strengths-based leadership insights. I'm Dana Williams. I'm a leadership coach and a strengths advocate dedicated to empowering difference makers just like you to create a lasting impact. Are you a leader feeling stuck right now? Or maybe you're overwhelmed or you're just yearning to make a bigger difference? You're in the right place. Each week, we'll explore how to leverage your unique strengths to boost your productivity, your energy, and your confidence. So, whether you're a seasoned executive or you're an emerging leader, this podcast is your weekly dose, a little mini dose of inspiration. And I'm also going to give you a few practical strategies to help you unlock your full potential. So, let's dive in and ignite your leadership journey. So today is October 15th. I can't think of a better day to really talk about productivity because we just have about 2.5 months left of the year. And really, when you take away Thanksgiving week to Christmas week, there's only 2 weeks there. So really, we only have about 6 weeks left. And so I really want to talk to you about how you can start with why and aligning your strengths and your purpose together. This month, I've been sharing favorite people that I follow. And you all have heard of Simon Sinek. He's kind of the why guru. He's one of the ones I follow. Simon reminds us that great leaders start with why. When we align our why with our strengths, all of a sudden productivity soars. I created the Strengths Journal, which is a companion guide to CliftonStrengths. In my head, I created it in 2017, got it on paper in 2018, got it published in 2020, and have since been using it to help me live more intentionally every day based on my unique strengths. So the Strengths Journal is, for instance, if you have belief high in your Clifton Strengths assessment, that means you're driven by core values. So you will want to make sure you use that strength to clearly articulate your team's purpose. You will be able to inspire productivity through meaning for them. Those with futuristic, I'm one of those. I like to paint a picture of what the vision looks like. You heard me say, okay, it's November, we don't have much time left in the business year. And so I painted a picture of what are you going to do to be productive? I just naturally do that. And that's my why in leading. So I want you to think about this challenge for yourself. You've got a few weeks left. You're getting your team ready for 2025. You're going to only have their attention, not much the rest of this year. So I have an assignment for you. Write down your personal or team why statement. And then I want you to list how each of your top 5 strengths can help you bring that why to life. Then, when your productivity feels like it's very challenging, return to that list. And as Sinek says, working hard for something we don't care about is called stress. Working hard for something we love is called passion. So here's your action item. In your next team meeting, I want you to have each team member share how their unique strengths contribute to their team's why. Then I want you to watch as engagement and productivity naturally increased. This is going to help give your team a boost to get them through to Christmas. And you might want to do it again in January as you're kicking off. Thank you for tuning in to the Weekly Leaders Digest. Remember, you are unique. And there's no reason for you to settle for anything less than being a difference maker with impact. I truly believe that when you embrace your uniqueness, you'll find yourself more productive, energized, and confident in your leadership. If you've enjoyed this episode on our little mini podcast, please subscribe on your favorite podcast platform and share it with your fellow leaders. Your feedback is very important to me, and I appreciate your feedback in the form of ratings or reviews. And I want you to know that I personally read each one. So if you're ready to take the next step in your leadership journey, just visit our website at danawilliamsco.com and schedule a discovery call, or you can pick up your very own copy of the Strengths Journal. It's a great gift And it's your daily companion guide to harnessing your unique strengths every day. So maybe get a gift for yourself right now. Until next week, this is Dana Williams reminding you that your strengths are your superpower. Use them well.